Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the controls on Mecha Break on your console. So all you have to do is launch the game on your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, use the controller icon pointer and select menu at the bottom right corner. And then select settings from the options that appear. Now within the settings, select controller. And then under controller, you should see the settings option. So select it and you should get to this homepage. Now if you should see a couple of presets that are available, but if you'd like to customize your own controllers or controls, all you have to do is ensure that you select apply under the customize option. And then just below the customize option, you should see the setup details. So select edit. And now from here, you can now edit a couple of options. So you can now edit the general section or the general settings for your controller. And also you can customize the striker settings. And also you can customize the pilot settings. Now, all you have to do is select the section that you'd like to customize, if it's the general, and scroll down and change any buttons that you'd like. So let's say, for instance, if you'd like to change the open map option, you can simply select it. And then now you should press any key on your controller to change, or rather to add a new keybind for that particular option. So let's say if you select, let me select B, then you should see confirm key binding changing. So if you like that button, so you can simply select confirm, and then you can repeat all the same process for all the other options. Now you can simply go to the striker and repeat the same process. So if you want the main weapon to be X, so you can select it and then press the X button on your keyboard and then simply select confirm and then confirm again. And then you can scroll down and customize all the other options that you prefer. Now also you can customize the pilots option. So select pilot and then choose the option that you'd like to customize. And once you're done, you can simply exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.